Good morning students, welcome to Authorities Commerce and Finance Coaching. Today we will start our first lecture of technical analysis. Actually in every stock market technical analysis is very much essential and important. So let's start the introduction in technical analysis. When people enter in financial market with the intention of making profit, their main purpose can be fulfilled when they can analyze the future course of action, which is based on available data. So there are two methods using for this analyzing. First one is investment opportunity. There are two techniques are using for investment opportunity. First one is technical analysis and second one is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis generally analyze the publicly available financial data of company. Fundamental analysis will dig in the details of P&L, means profit loss statement, balance sheet and cash inflow and outflow of statement of company. So it carry ratio analysis, trend analysis, common size analysis, which will meet the management to understand the future roadmap, which is supply to customer, understand the demand and supply. So these are things understand with this fundamental analysis. But technical analysis involve clubbing all information of securities like price, volume, open interest and apply various indicators. So these indicators are based on price, volume, time, which is find different price pattern, even different price movement too. So this is applying very classical theories like Dow theory, Elliott wave theory, Gunn theory, some of modern theories like Neo wave theory, etc. So these are the theories are studied in our technical analysis. So technical analysis can be defined as an art as well as science, because technical analysis is nothing to do with astrology. Generally it clear based on analyzing of demand and supply of securities in a market. So technical analysis can be applied on all assets which are traded in the market. So best part of technical analysis is it can serve the purpose of most of the market participants, whether a long term investor or short term investors. So let's start to understand our technical analysis. The technical analysis is a method of evaluating securities by analyzing the statistical generated by market activity, such as a past price, volume. So technical analysis do not attempt to measure a security intrinsic value, but instead use charts and other tools to identify the pattern that can suggest future activity. Despite all the exhaust tools, it include technical analysis really just study supply and demand in a market, which is an attempt to determine what directions or trend will continue in future. In short, it show our future road map in our stock market. So it is very much important. Those who understand our technical analysis system easily understand our stock market. So generally this technical analysis is basically have three assumptions. First one, the market discounting everything. Yes, at the any given point in time, market price would reflect the most present material information of company. So it is reflection of mass psychology, collective thinking of crowd and pulses of human emotions, that price is the parameter of collective thinking of fundamentalist. So technical analysis, economist, trader, speculator, institutional investor like mutual funds, hedge funds, insurance companies, pension funds, even corporates, treasury department. So these are the participants enter market with a different mindset and different reasons of buying and selling the stock. So there are always starting tug of war to own the participant with some material non-public information. So it's lead the price rally in that direction. It is believed that the company is fundamental along with economic factors and market psychologies, which are all priced in our stock, which is remove and need to separately consider all factors. So here is said that the market discounting everything. The second assumption is price moves in trend. Yes, it is very famous because technical analysis is a trend is your friend. Technical analysis is always said trend is your friend. because it's always change. It is assumed that the most of the time price move according to trend. So the trend can be either up or down, so or even a sideway. So once the trend has been established, the future price movement is more likely to in the same direction till the price change in the trend. Means the whenever price change, the trend will be changed. The third assumption is history tend to repeat itself. Yes, history tend to repeat itself. In first point we discuss about that market price are the reflection of mass psychology. It is collective thinking of crowd, even pulses of human participants, emotions. So it is seen in the subject of behavior. The finance is to that participants have indifferently since age, even differently market condition, predicting. So their thinking on the future price is being so what we say, it's being change according to their psychology. So it is possible to greatest extent using different price pattern. So high success ratio of the pattern help to prove statement that history tend to repeat. So here the history repeat itself. So repetitive nature of price movement is attributed to market psychology. So participants tend to provide a consistent reaction for similar market. So technical analysis use this chart and analyze market movement to understand the difference change. Those who understand this change can able to grab this market. So these are the three assumptions of our technical analysis. So thank you students. Share and subscribe my channel. I hope you understand these things. Bye bye.